The essence of filmmaking is to bring vision into life, to turn ideas into big pictures through breathtaking composition and movement. A tool that enables filmmakers of all levels to capture their unique visions in the most simple, creative, and dynamic way. This is DJI's next step in shaping the film industry. Introducing Ronin-S. Designed as the all-in-one workhorse for almost any type of filmmaking, including travel, event, and even feature film productions, Ronin-S is packed with incredible features that offer the ultimate flexibility for single or multiple operators on any set. And with compatibility over a broad range of camera models and a maximum payload of 3.6 kilograms, Ronin-S provides precision and the ability to produce cinematic camera moves for every filmmaker. A front-facing, naturally placed trigger allows users to control the most essential behaviors of the gimbal. The mode button instantly changes the speed and responsiveness for any type of shot. For more dynamic scenes, a dedicated sport function catches quick movements with precision. An 8-pin connector offers direct start-stop control, while two 4-pin connectors support the hardware options, like an external focus motor and onboard power for the camera. The detachable battery allows for seamless mounting and versatility. A 4-pin receiver port grants universal connectivity with third-party controllers. When shooting complex scenes, optional remote controllers enables a second operator to collaborate. With a suite of accessories, including DJI Force Pro and Master Wheels, Ronin-S meets the needs of filmmakers of all levels. Additional modules can be added to customize Ronin-S for more challenging scenarios. In addition to these unique features, Ronin-S benefits users with exceptional design and intuitive functions, such as direct camera control for start-stop recording and an onboard multi-directional joystick. The angled roll motor provides an unobstructed camera screen view and allows for greater range of motion, no matter how the gimbal is handled. Featuring DJI's acclaimed stabilization algorithms, the professional versatility of the Ronin series comes in a new, lightweight size. The Ronin-S app complements the gimbal, giving filmmakers even greater control over their creativity. Wherever your passion takes you, Ronin-S is the companion that lets you film with total control over your vision.